Hi guys, welcome back to the next video. So today is day number 3 of Vlogmas, and yep, first off I want to say I know my makeup looks horrible. I just threw it on. I didn't have any pattern or anything, so I'm sorry that it looks really bad. I'm wearing more than I normally do, darker shades than I normally do, but I wanted to test this out. So I found this. It is supposed to be a makeup remover that you can just throw in the wash machine, and yep. So I wanted to just try this out. I bought this a couple months ago, and I had it on my shelf here in my office, and I completely forgot about it until just a little bit ago. So I kind of threw makeup on, like I said, a little bit darker, a little bit heavier makeup than I normally wear, just so I can test this out. So, like I said, I bought this at Walmart. This is only like $2, which is pretty neat, and it can just be reused. So, my makeup for the day. This one over here has just mascara, really heavy gold and pink, and powder eyeshadow. This one over here actually has liquid eyeliner, no mascara, and just like a little bit of a darker eyeshadow. So I'm going to go ahead and test this out and see if it works, because it is supposed to remove makeup, even waterproof mascara, which is pretty neat. I hope my camera doesn't die, but it will. So it's kind of like a microfiber cloth, a little bit smaller than what I thought, but that's okay. So it's all called Always Off. It comes with three remover cloths for like $2. I'll put a link in the description box. So let's get this started. I'm going to start this one here with just the regular. So we started this one, and this one has a mascara on it, so this should be fun. So it doesn't really say how to remove it. It says it can be used with water, and facial cleanser, but I'm just gonna try it just this way first. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe it off. Some came off with it a little bit. I'm really interested to see if the mascara comes off, and it looks like it's just smearing it. And my skin is really sensitive too, so I don't like to use any like makeup remover chemicals or stuff. So this is why I try this out. And I'm pretty sure this can work with all different types of makeup. You know, if you wear any other kind of makeup, I bet this works pretty good with it too. I'm impressed right now. See, I'm gonna try to see if there's any mascara. Wow, that actually removed almost all the mascara and everything. I'm really impressed. So let's try the other eye. I'm gonna flip it over and try this side. He said this one here has the liquid eyeliner. You see, not use like purple or something. I just went in my your drawer in there and just grabbed some stuff. So see how this works. Like I said, this one's the darker. So yeah, it looks like it removed all of it. I'm really impressed. And it's a really good deal, you know? I'm all about reusing stuff and to keep it out of the landfill and everything, and I'm really impressed with this. But yeah, I'm really impressed. This is a really good deal. I'm really surprised. I'm really impressed. So I'm really glad I found these, because I don't usually like taking my makeup off actually. So there you go, guys. So if you like this video, please give it a like. Don't forget to share and subscribe with all your friends and everything like that. And I will see you guys tomorrow for day number 4. Bye.